Welcome to our channel, English with NS.
In this video, we will learn about modal verbs.
Let's define. What are modal verbs? Modal verbs express the mood of the sentence. Now, let's discuss, what is the mood of the sentence? Mood expresses possibility, necessity, permission, obligation, request, ability. To express these attitudes, modal verbs are used by a speaker or a writer. Modal verbs are can, could, may, might, shall, will, should, would, must, need to, has to, have to. Let's briefly discuss what modal verbs refer to. In sentences, can is used to express possibility, ability, suggestion, request. Could is used to express possibility, past ability, polite request, suggestion. May refers to possibility, formal request. Might expresses suggestion, possibility. Should expresses desire, probability, suggestion. Would refers to make polite request, past habit, past tense of will, as future tense, as desire or preference. Must is used for obligation, certainty, deduction, strong recommendation. Need to explains the necessity of something. Shall is used to explain strong possibility, to give command. Will refers to determination, promise, possession, give orders. Has to, have to, refers to possession. This was the brief introductory video of modal verbs. In our next videos, we will discuss in detail the use of modal verbs along with examples. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and also press the bell icon. Plus, don't forget to comment and share.